Want Microsoft Office for free? No downloads, no installs? I'll show you how in under 2 minutes. Before we start, make sure you're connected to your internet. Alright. Let's get into it. Open any web browser. For example, you want to use Microsoft Word. Just simply type Microsoft Word online. Now choose the first one. You can either use the template below, or just use the blank option. But of course, before you can use it, you need to log in your Microsoft account. After logging in, you can now use Microsoft Word without any difficulties, and it's entirely free. Alright, let's try another example. Just enter Microsoft Excel Online in the search bar. And there you have it. It functions just like the Microsoft Excel application. The distinction is that there's no need to download it, plus it saves a lot of space on your computer. Heads up, the free web apps cover most everyday tasks, but a few advanced features, certain add-ins, advanced data tools, some AI features, are reserved for paid Microsoft 365 subscribers. You'll still get solid core functionality for free, so it's a win-win situation for me. And that's it, Microsoft Office in your browser for free. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.